Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials: your CDSC client code, registered mobile number, and email. Once done, open the official Meroshare portal. Make sure you use the correct URL and a secure browser. Next, choose Forgot Password. This is the first actionable step. Enter your CDSC client code and date of birth exactly as on record. Doing this aligns the system and triggers the official reset flow, so pay attention to messages and any OTP prompts that arrive on your phone or email. Once you request a reset, the portal will send an OTP to your registered mobile or an email link. Respond immediately because codes expire. Enter the OTP and, when prompted, choose a new password. Use a strong phrase with upper and lower letters, digits, and symbols for security. Make sure the password meets the portal's complexity rules, then confirm. After completion, note any reset reference number or confirmation email. This proves the change if you need support. Keep records offline and secure. Finalize by logging into Meroshare to confirm your new password works and update recovery contact details if possible. If you don't receive OTPs or emails, do not retry endlessly. Instead, contact CDSC or your broker with your client code and ID for verification. They can resend or reset via official channels. Make sure you do not reuse old passwords, and, where available, enable two-factor authentication for ongoing protection. If something still goes wrong, keep the reset reference and escalate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.